Good morning, students. Welcome to part 4 of our chapter number 8, Body Movements. In that, we have seen about the skeleton made up of different types of bones. And that the carpels, the rib cage, the backbone, then the shoulder bones, which are made of pelvic bones. Now the skull. All know what is skull. Which body part is protected under skull? Yes, the very important part, that is the brain. Okay, the skull is made up of many bones joined together. You can see the picture. It encloses and protects a very important part of the body, that is the brain. We discussed many bones and the joints of our skeleton. There are also something other than bones and stronger than muscles, which are not as hard as bones and which can also bend. They are called cartilage. What is this called? Cartilage. The best example of cartilage is our ear. You can see the upper part of the ear which has a cartilage. थोड़ा सा hard है लेकिन bone जितना hard भी नहीं है, and it can move up to an extent. This is cartilage. Okay. If you see the lobe of the ear, that is the lower part of the ear and the upper part of the ear, can you feel the difference? The lower part is only muscles, while the upper part, it is a cartilage. Okay. So it is not a bone. It is not as hard as a bone. Right? But it is hard than the lower part. It is a cartilage. Cartilage is also found in the joints of the body. Okay. So skeleton is made up of bones, joints and cartilage. Now make a fist with one hand, bend your arm at the elbow and touch your shoulders with the thumb. You can do it practically like this. Picture is given, figure 8.17. You can feel that two muscles work together to move a bone. When you are folding your hand, you can feel that the two muscles, they are working together, right? Okay, can you see the change in the upper arm? दिखाते हो ना सबको बॉडी बना के. See, what is that? Muscles क्या आपके बड़े हो जाते हैं अचानक से? What is that? There is a muscles. Yes, muscles contract and it becomes smaller in length when you fold your hand. एक साथ आ जाते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, लेंथ में कम हो जाते हैं, सो दे यस स्वॉलन, सूज जाते हैं ऐसा लगता है. तो दैट इज द मसल्स एंड इट इज बिकॉज ड्यू टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मसल्स इट बिकम्स स्मॉलर इन लेंथ. ओके, आफ्टर दैट स्ट्रेट योर हैंड, सीधा कर दो, देन इट विल कम इन द ओरिजिनल पोजिशन. So when contracted, the muscles become shorter, stiffer and thicker. It pulls the bone. So muscles work is to pull the bones, right? When you contract it, it becomes shorter, stiffer and thicker. Muscles works in pairs. It works in pairs. When one of them contracts, the bone is pulled in that direction. The other muscle of the pair relax. Muscles always works in pair. जब एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है देन बोन उसकी तरफ मुड़ता है, दूसरा वाला तब तक रिलैक्स करता है. To move the bone in the opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts to pull the bone towards its original position while the first one relax. एक काम करेगा तो दूसरा आराम करेगा, पैर में ही काम करते हैं, ठीक है ना. दोनों ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शंस में पुल करते हैं हमारी बोन्स को. A muscle can only pull, it cannot push. You can underline this line. A muscle, it can only pull the bone, it cannot push. So, two muscles have to work together to move a bone. एक बार पुल कर लिया तो पुश करने के लिए दूसरा मसल चाहिए उसकी ऑपोजिट में वर्क करने के लिए. Therefore, muscles works in a pair because one can only pull, not push. So, if they work in a pair, they can pull and push both the bones. Okay, are muscles and bones always required for movement? Do animals also move like this only? Do all the animals have bone? There are different organs in different animals to move. We have seen about human being, now about animals. The joint of animals. In that first one, earthworm. Earthworm देखा है ना, वो मूव कैसे करता है? How does it move? पैर होते हैं उसके हमारी तरह. Then how does it move? Okay. When you put it on a earthworm, if you move it on a soil, you will see the different movement. If you put that earthworm on a filter paper, then the movement will be somewhat different. If you put it on a smooth glass plate or a slippery surface, then again its movement will be different. So where do you think the earthworm can move easily? earthworm कैसे मूव करती है? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती है, फिर वापस रिलैक्स होती है ना, ऐसे वो मूव करती है. उसके पास पैर तो होते नहीं है. Earthworm does not have bones and legs. Its body is made up of muscles which किससे many rings loops joined end to end. उसकी बॉडी कैसे बनी है? It has many rings. रिंग्स से उसकी बॉडी बनी है, उसमें बोन्स नहीं होते हैं. It does not have bones. It has muscles which help to extend and shorten the body. लंबी होती है फिर शॉर्ट हो जाती है, right? So in this way it moves. It moves forward by the contraction and expansion of muscles. During movement, the earthworm first extends the front part of the body, keeping the rear portion relaxed. Then it shortens the body and pulls the rear end. This makes it move forward by a small distance. So repeating this action, it can move and very slowly. It can move through soil and its body secretes slimy substance to help with the movement. This is how the earthworm moves. Now the homework is read page number 73, 74 and 75. We will continue it in the next video. Thank you.